something that people say to us all the time, and we hear is like, what makes Pond different? Why should I choose you guys over somebody else? And some homeowners get stuck on price, or somebody goes in and sits in their home for 3 hours and tells them like, this is why our thing is the very best. And the reality is that there's a lot of really great products on the market, and any contractor with reviews like the thousands we have is not choosing crappy projects or products ever. If you can take yourself away from focus on just price or products, and start thinking about what really matters, it's the company that's coming out to install them on your house. We've got 60 years of honing a process that is designed to create a peaceful experience so we get happy customers. We want it to be peaceful for homeowners. We want it to be peaceful for our teammates. We want it to be peaceful for the installers out on the job site, for our vendors that are going to deliver the materials. We want it to be peaceful for their community. So we've spent more than 60 years trying to design this process that will take a customer from their initial inquiry, they've got some sort of problem they're trying to solve, through getting an appointment scheduled, getting out to their house for a salesman to take a look at what the problem is, see if there's a solution that we can offer, talk about the products, talk about the installation things we can do, give a proposal, then get the work onboarded, get the customer onboarded, and then schedule installation, schedule materials, special order materials. And there's a lot of steps to get them to day of installation. Then we've got to get through that and paid and into a warranty. We've spent a lot of time honing that. We have certain manufacturers' certifications to help ensure good installation. I mean, we're a company that believes in training and constant improvement of processes and skills and everything. And that makes a difference. So it's not just about the products that are being installed and just the price. It's who's this company that's behind it. It's going to matter, and you got to do your research and ask a company like, what's your process? How does this work at Pond?